how you did. It says match, so it is multiple choice, if you will, but I'm matching A, B, and C with the numbers on the right. So does anybody think they have A? Yes?
4.
4. A goes to 4. They subtracted 7 from both sides. Disappeared over here. 6 minus 7 is 1. Noah. B goes to 2. All they did was distributed to 3. 3 times x, 3 times 6. Got that. Mira. C goes to 5. They combine like terms, they combine like terms. That's it. Question number 2. Which statement explains why it is true? Timmy.
I said
D. Divide both by -3. Okay? Divide both sides by -3. Why do I call him Timmy? Because that's his name, Georgia. Why do people call you Georgia?
Why? People don't call me Georgia. People call me George.
All right, George.
Don't call me
Number
George.
3. Georgia, number 3.
Thank you. I said yes.
Why?
Because 2 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
Question number 4. I look forward to hearing some convincing explanations from Samantha. Oh my goodness. That's what you wrote? You wrote, I don't know. That's not convincing, Samantha. This is going on YouTube forever, and this is how you're answering? Samantha. I already have. I want your convincing argument.
She doesn't know.
Amy, help her out.
Yeah, right.
I have some.
I don't even think mine makes sense.
What do you got? How do you guys not know what you have written down?
Because like in the
Caleb.
I said because 20 times 5 equals 100, so taking 5 times what's in the parentheses will equal 100.
Perfect.
I just said they multiplied everything by 5.
This was times 5, which is 100. And this means that that is that times 5. Why is it true? You did the same thing to both sides. What you do to one side, you have to do the other. Not hard. How many times did we mention that yesterday? What you do to one side, you have to do the other. That will keep the equations true. That will keep it equal. Vicente, 5, please.
I said
B. X represents the delivery fee. Question number 6. Which one is equivalent? Jordan.
Oh, I put A.
You put A. Let's check it.
Yes.
Yeah, you can't combine those and just write 35x. They both do not have an x, so A is out. Jackson?
C or D?
Well, it's got to be one of them.
I'll say D.
D. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 6 is 30. They pulled out a 5. They factored out a 5. C would work, but they forgot to take a 5 out of that as well. That's why it's not C. Question 7. How much are the t-shirts? Well, it's $20 to set it up. So that means I actually paid $142.50 for the t-shirts. How many t-shirts did I get?
Wait, what?
How many t-shirts did I buy? I bought 15, so I gotta divide that by 15, so it's less than $10. Yeah?
950.
$9.50, Georgia says. $9.50. Mark the point on the graph that shows the temperature in Celsius when it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, 60 Fahrenheit. 60 Fahrenheit, mark the point, should be a dot right there. little less than 20. Mark the point where Celsius is 60. So I go where Celsius is here. 60 over the line. Looks like 60 degrees Celsius is about 140 Fahrenheit. Water boils at 100 Celsius. Use the graph to approximate the boiling point or confirm it if you knew what it was. What's water boil at? To what?
210.
Nope. About
212.
212, yes. So it should be around 212. It does say approximate, so 210 would be fine, but water does boil at 212 Fahrenheit. Use the equation that converts Celsius to Fahrenheit, plug in 60. Okay, so here's my equation. I'm plugging in 60 for Fahrenheit. 60 minus 32 is 28. 28 times 5 divided by 9. Somebody that's got an iPad open, figure that out for me. 28 times 5 divided by 9.
About 16.
And then what?
Divided by 9.
28.
28 times 5 divided by 9.
15.56. That's 5.55.
Okay, 15.56 degrees Celsius. So that is the exact answer of that point you just found there. Question number 9, selecting all that are true. Jordan?
CF.
C and F.
I guessed on this one.
I see that. No, you can't just take a 2 out
I didn't have the last
if you don't take it on the 5. Mira?
I said B, D, E.
B. Okay, let's look at B. How do you get from this one to B? What do they do to both sides? Added 5. I like to add that in so I know how they got there. They added 5 to both sides. Another one? D. What did they do to get D?
They get the 15 off the right.
They subtracted 15 from both sides. One more?
B.
What did they do to get E? Took everything times 2. And question number 10, which equation is equivalent? Nobody?
C.
Nope.
A.
You guys are just guessing. You can't just take a 2 out here, guys. There's not a.
B.
You can't take a 2 out of 5.
I said A. It's B.
It is B. You subtract 5 on both sides. You get D minus 5, and the 5s disappear on the right. Okay? Make sure you are trying all these, guys. You'll notice they're all the same. 10, 9, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1 are all the same. If you knew how to do one, you got them all. Didn't know how to do one, you're either guessing or you're struggling on all of them. Okay, what do you think the warm-up's going to be like?
The exact
Same question. Same question. All right.